Hi friends, it's time for another quote from the Neville Goddard Study Journal. Christ is not to be found in history, nor in external forms. You find Christ only when you become aware of the fact that your imagination is the only redemptive power. When this is discovered, the towers of dogma will have heard the trumpets of truth, and, like the walls of Jericho, crumble to dust. This quote is so powerful and so true. Christ is actually Christ consciousness, and Christ consciousness is everything that is good, loving, kind, compassionate, joyful, peaceful, and true. And when we realize that all of that is to be found within, we can develop it. Oh my god, there's an woodpecker on the street. I see it up there. This is a perfect sign. I love woodpeckers. And just like a woodpecker, like cleaning up the tree from worms and mines and things that can destroy it. In the same way, we have that job of constantly eliminating doubt, fear, insecurity, jealousy from our minds and hearts and being liberated into Christ consciousness. How amazing is that woodpecker? Okay, have a wonderful day.